if you're new, my name is Type Singh, and if you're a subscriber, let's do this, guys. Today it's Sunday, first day off. Did I get enough rest? I think I did. I'm taking this medication for suppressing my appetite instead of what's my car keys now. I need to buy a key holder or else I'm gonna lose. Okay, let me leave it. Oh dear. So instead of suppressing my appetite, it just messed up with my mood and my emotions. But anyway, today's Sunday, my first day of off. I'm well rested. Sorry about that. I'm well rested. We're going to town, guys. First time in my entire life. I was saying, first time since I cut my hair, I regret cutting. Let me put you guys here. I regret cutting my hair. Oh, that's wrong. Okay, like the culture. I regret cutting my hair so bad. Since yesterday, I'm like, I look a lot, I feel a lot. These pills are messing up, but those are some of the side effects. So I need to fight it. Cause I was just like, okay, maybe I'm not happy with something. Cause I normally go through this when I'm not happy with something. I'm going to the gym, I fix my diet. I'm very active. What's wrong? I'm like, shit, I'm appetite. I ain't get the rest. But I've realized wearing baggy clothes make you eat too much because you don't see you're building something that's gonna backfire. So now we're going to town. We're going to do a refill. When was the last time I did this with you guys? Obviously. So we're going to do a refill. We need to buy a hair dye. We're gonna dye my hair. I'm gonna try to just spice it up so that I can feel pretty. There's a lot of things that we need to get, and I'm excited. We're going to buy nothing fancy, but we're back to meal preps. Okay, I'm excited. I'm just gonna get brown rice and broccoli. Then I'm gonna do the brown rice, broccoli every day with the meat that they've cooked at home. You know the drill. I'm not gonna stress myself because at least some of the thing needs to be like I must not forget. I need to pass at Mrs. place. One of the things needs to be fresh. No. So yeah, my dad is not home. Wait, man. When you leave him, I say, okay, I'm going. I'll come back, or I won't come back. Now I'm just calling his name is not there. But I couldn't do. I just needed to, like the weather's like, let's say kind. But hey, my eyebrows have grown. We're gonna fix that. I think when we come back, we're gonna do like maintenance day because I need lashes. I need lashes. I need nails. I need to dye my hair. So I've seen this dye on TikTok. I want to try it if I get it, and if I don't, I'm just gonna go back to my normal dye. Plus it's even affordable. So yeah, guys, I'm planning to buy in and do everything that makes me happy because I'm trying to make this beautiful month of love like one of the kind. I'm just gonna live by faith and let God do the rest. You understand? Guys, I'm in town now. I'm in town, and now we're gonna go to Nizam's. Sorry, I need to buy the lashes, and after Nizam's we're gonna go Clicks. Then we'll go for the checkers. Okay, I need to stick to my budget this month. I wanna go out a bit. I know we're saving money, but we need to go out. So refreshing. It just motivates you to work hard because you see the taxis and these long cars, they need to have their own parking because what the fuck is this? I can't even see when I'm refreshing. So guys, let me focus. I can to taste you now. Now let's go to the exams before they close. I know Checkers closed late.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Pretty for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You won't sell it hot. No. They never had.
Town is so empty today, guys. So you guys go to town on Saturday so that in Sunday, as when we come to town, it's empty. It's untanned, guys. So now we're going to Clicks. I've shown you the lashes that I normally use. So now let's go to Clicks. And I'm gonna go to Woolworth for broccolis. Then the rest, I think I'm gonna also check it, go Pick and Pay. Guys, I'm almost done here. I just want to check some few things. Actually, I need to go to the ATM. Then guys, I'm at KFC. I am dizzy. I'm gonna try to get chicken nuggets. Yeah, something light. I love soup. I just want chicken nuggets in the channel. Hey, check out. Six. Okay. When I came to town, the weather was amazing. Yeah! Hey, what's happening? When I came to town, the weather was nice. Now it's like hot inside. Okay, I must not forget. I hope Capitec. I also have like cash sent from Capitec. I hope there's no queue. I am not in the mood. But I'm happy, guys. I got everything that I needed except for creatine. I'm proud. I'm proud. I only bought the things that I need. And I got more than that. I got more than that. But we're still like sticking to budgets. Donald, guys. 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Thank you. I want it's good to talk. Now I want to leave Loteria, I can't care. Why did she even take that back? What? Now I see why I don't switch off the thinking. Guys, I can't need the calories to the million. Because I know I'm going to chew. I'm gonna need the strength. Maybe that's so hot.
Bye.
me the dress. Ah, look. But here's the dress. This is supposed to be like here. Cover this. But it's up on my neck. Maybe I need to fix like the stripes. And I want to quickly guys show you before I start cooking. Guys, it's hot. And I want to charge my phone because your shading is back. So my friend gave me this. Pussy gave me this bodybuilder and flat tummy toner. So I've been using it since Thursday or Friday, somewhere there. Today's Sunday. You must have 2 daily and with meal. And that's good version too. But me now I eat and take one. Or I should take one and eat, I don't know. So the first, don't really these things. I bought this lashes size 14. I got 12, and I also got 16. Maybe really 24. So each is 25 rand. It's the price. Yeah, it's actually lesser than what I used to buy. So I got these 2 primers. Not 2 primer and fixing spray. So because plastic, I'm like, I'm not gonna buy this too much plastic while I don't like I'm going to the car. So here is the hair stuff. I got a Durex. I got a pregnancy test because tomorrow I medical. But if I was pregnant, I was supposed to be showing. So I got this bleach. I'm gonna first bleach my hair. Then I'm trying to go back to this color. I pray my hair doesn't turn orange. I need this shade. This in neck too. So I got the mousse. I got wave brush. I got a wave brush. Isn't my hair long? Yeah, and I also got this hair wax, and I also got same brand child. It's the first time go one of this mousse, and I also got this because I needed this. I'm rushing. I've showed you guys everything from clips, pads, wipes, conditioner. I need to shave. I'm going to shave, yeah. Then the condiment. Then here's food. I've shown you the food. So let me put everything back. What should I do? Should I dye my hair? Yeah, let me put the meat, then dye my hair. So I also want to change, wear something comfortable because I'm putting this. Yeah, let's work. Let me put this in my room also. And I also need to refill my water and ice. So yeah guys, let me go change, then come back, put the meat. While it's cooking, I'll be bleaching. I showed you the hair food, right? I don't think I have. I showed you. Don't remember, but this at Pep, they say it grows hair. It's only 30 rand. So I'm gonna use it and I'll give you feedback. Guys, so I am done cooking. I want to eat. It's pap and pork. Since Kijadi, what do you call it? Nuggets. So I just want to eat so that I don't get dizzy. Did I put too much vinegar on the pap? But anyway, I'm doing my hair. I hope it come out good. So I'm gonna bath. Go for take it then reach a car wash. Tomorrow get medical, so I need to be. My car needs to be clean. Then when you come back, we're gonna put the lashes. We're gonna put nails. I don't know if we're gonna put lashes now or when we come back. So this has to be one of the quickest beats I've ever done. Let's hope it's work for 4:30. Now it's literally 20 to 5. So I wanna quickly do my makeup. I'll see you when I'm done. I'll show you now. I'll be done now. No. I don't even think I will wear lashes. And guys, here's my hair. I didn't ended up dyeing with the other color. We'll see how I feel when times go by about this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me quickly go because I told Pussy that I'm leaving the house. I don't even know what to wear. But I'll see you at the car wash. Obviously changed my outfit. I'm wearing this twist because I want to steal my mom's perfume, but I know she will like with it because she went on a getaway. I don't. She like with it. I'm gonna have to use mine. I was thinking I should do a gloss on my lips, but I'm liking this one. My makeup came off on my forehead and my handbag. So let's go, guys. Okay, let me put the perfume. My work bag. Okay, let me just put this. Guys, I don't think I need a handbag, honestly. Let me just leave this handbag. Just take money. Yeah, and go. Hey guys, it will take me time to get used to this new look, but I'm on my way to the car wash now. I don't remember when was the last time I took my car to a car wash. So, yes, and doesn't have which one is it. But the lady I saw on TikTok name was Swanela. Maybe not Swanela, just that insecurity started childhood. But yeah, the sun is going, and you know the drill. If I wash my car, possibility it rain. It's on 99%, but I'm holding to that one. So it's even 5:20, guys. Yo, I don't even know which car wash we're going to. I like the one here for to Mountain, how they wash the car, but I want to chill like Koron. Doesn't make sense. A Koron is a good connection, bruh. But let me drive, guys. I'll see you when we get there. Now I'm waiting for Pussy. I'm the one waiting. I'm the one doing the waiting. She's paying back. Pay back, ma'am. But yeah, guys, I feel bald. I feel getting inches up. What's this? I don't mind.
And even though it's salty, hate to see you with somebody, but I know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. It got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I ain't doing one night, I just want you. If I can't have you, know what should I like your ways. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next.
Guys, so we're still here. But I'm busy going. Mata today I want to miss you blow. Hi guys. Like no one got die room mutu go. Let's put ourselves in tempo. Mara basa le busy kayo na so sa chichiri jak minang. Guys, puso regle kota. Really chips. Apply njalo into ya minute diet. But we're still here. I feel like they don't have salt. Guys, my car is so clean. I just arrived home now. It's literally 9 o'clock. So I'm happy. My car is clean. Okay, careful. The garage is very small, so you need to be extra careful. Nidla chippies. Phela nginama chippies angithi nginibonile. So yeah guys, should I take out my I'm gonna need water. I'm gonna need water. Guys, I'm about to sleep. I want to first is put on the lashes because tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early. It's Monday, get medical mine. So I think I'm gonna wake up and go to the gym if there's no load shedding. Hi guys, today it's Monday. I still have makeup on. I woke up around 4. Then I got ready. I put on makeup. I don't know why I didn't even vlog. I was even asking myself for long what team. Camera mina. So I went to medical. Got mine. I finished early around 3. Around 9 I was home. They open around 6. 9 I was home. I was number 3. I'm always early. So I came back, took off my makeup, went back to sleep. I was having one corona. I'm a bit corona black what. So and I didn't go to the gym. Oh sorry, I was tired. Child. I woke up around 3 the time I get ready to around 3:30 to the gym. Oh sorry. I went back to sleep. I'm like So I woke up around, I think it was 4:30. I quickly did my makeup. 5:30 I was out of the house. Guys, today is hot. You see this dye? It's nicer when you have makeup on. I don't know, but yeah, everything went well. I passed my medical. I was happy. The only thing they complained about was weight. I'm like, I'll fix that. But I will. So yeah, I'm just chilling. It's day 2 of my off. I don't know, bro. It's hard. And that's illustrating every guys. So I just wanted to close this vlog, honestly. Yeah, so that I can start a new one, start vlogging, and yeah. So ninga code for subscribe, like. Honestly, I'm falling a bit into discouragement, especially on YouTube. The viewers are just discouraging me, bro. But I'm not gonna give up. It's hard, guys. Being a small YouTuber, you put in the work. You put in so much work, no viewers. It's just so discouraging. I hope one day it will be worth it. I remember somewhere this week I took 2 beautiful content for TikTok. First one, I did a vlog, my morning routine. The numbers are just like, I put in so much work. I remind myself to like capture the important moments. The editing is amazing, but the viewers is just so low. Being a smaller content creator, it's a lot. I'm being consistent on YouTube. YouTube is not pushing my videos. Now get these monetizations. My videos, they don't have ads. I'm not a creator. I'm just like, but you know what? The only thing that is really motivating me in this, it's just you guys. I don't want to lie. I'm like, even if it's just 5 people that with 10 subscribers that are watching me, I'm just gonna be here for them because they're here for me. Honestly, you guys are really motivating me down, but yo. And I saw this other comment is like a retaining subscriber. I needed that. So here guys, I was trying to attempt waves. Hey, brightly flungu. After bleaching your hair is so hard. I don't even know what color is this. Is it white? Is it yellow? I don't know. But yesterday before I slept, I put on the lashes. So I promised son. I think I didn't put them nicely because my room was dark. I think the nice spot is here. So I just need to come here, come do my nails, put on lashes, and fix my hair. Do like a nice serious waves. So yeah guys, thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Keep on watching my videos. God bless you. I'll see you guys in my next video.